Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cooper and I'm a 25-year-old cash budgeter who's saving for the future, specifically an emergency fund and a school fund. And I'm also the owner of Purely Budgets over on Etsy. In today's video, we have our first cash stuffing for the month of October. We're gonna be cash stuffing $530 into our everyday binders, sinking fund binders, but we will talk about those when we get to them. I did not release a budget with me this week. I am so sorry, you guys. If you guys were looking forward to that, it is not coming. But there is the cash stuffing that I will be releasing, which is the one you guys are watching at this point. But with that being said, $530 is what we are cash stuffing into our binders. The first thing I want to do is actually talk about some Happy Mail and some new products that I have dropped and Happy Mail that I have received. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is this beautiful card that I received from Blake over at WalletWell. And last Saturday, I had the amazing opportunity to meet Malene over at the Millennial Dollar, Raylyn over at the Remarkable Dollar, and Blake over at WalletWell. Two of them, Melina and Blake, all flew in from Canada and Texas to Arizona, where Raylyn and I live. And we had a phenomenal day, you guys. I have never laughed so hard in my life as I did with the three of them. It was jam-packed with a bunch of stuff. It was so surreal to meet these people. It's crazy that the group chat has come to life and I get to meet these amazing, wonderful human beings. The people you guys get on camera are the people they are in person plus more. But Blake surprised all of us with these cute, amazing Arizona cards, and I'm not going to read it because it is personal, but this was the design on the inside, and then I will take everything out of it. He did surprise us with some challenges and a cute Arizona laminated deco card, so I will be definitely putting these in my binders, or one of them in my binders. Then we have this one here, which is like a Boo Halloween ghost challenge. I think I calculated everything and I want to say it saved 70. I could be wrong, but I think that's what it was. And then he gave us all three of the Hocus Pocus challenges. So we have Mary, Winifred, and Sarah, and they have some quotes for them. So when he says, "Oh, look, another glorious morning makes me sick. I suggest we form a calming circle and I am beautiful. Boys will love me." They all save $70. Each icon is 10, and I'm obsessed with these, and I actually have an idea of what I want to do with them in the future. But Blake, thank you so much, Blake. These are so cute, and I'm totally obsessed with them. And honestly, like I said, guys, I couldn't say enough about the three of them. My heart was so full and so happy to have met them, and it just, yeah, even now I feel like it's a pinch me moment. Pinch me and I'll wake up from this surreal dream of you're meeting these people online, you're talking to them, you're making a friendship with them, you're growing that bond, and then all of a sudden one day you wake up and they are right there in front of you. It's just, it's crazy. But besides that, we're gonna jump into the next Happy Mail, which I got from Chelsea over at the Be the Happy Turtle. This was her thank you card. So it says thank you, and it says, "Cooper, you are the best. I'm so grateful for the friendship. I hope you enjoy." I love Chelsea. She's honestly so amazing. This was a freebie that she included. It looks like it's pumpkins, looks like maybe moons, and it looks like we have Pooh from Winnie the Pooh here. And then we have this one here, which is another Halloween one. This one you get to choose your own amounts per icon, and then this one has each icon for $5. These are on a pretty thick cardstock, really good quality. And then I actually purchased a few things from her. So let me grab the things that I purchased, and then I will show the ones that were free. Okay, so the first thing I purchased from her was, I was actually on my way to Disneyland. Maybe I was in Disneyland, I can't remember, but she dropped these and I had to put my hands on them. So I got Tiana here, I have Ariel, and then I have the three villains. We have Ursula, Maleficent, and the Evil Queen. These two are my favorite princesses, and then obviously you had to get a villain one in there for the month of October for Halloween. And then the other things I purchased from her, she released invitation cards, invitation cards. I don't know why I can't say that word. So I had to grab the Christmas one. As you guys know, Christmas is my time of year, and we are currently in the process of working on our Christmas wrapping for the year. my little community, as in like the 3 that I met, we've already spoken about it. They've already asked me about it and I've already told them. But here's the first one. I love how it has like Money Street teller slip and it says like California. That's so cute. Here is the back side of it. Here's our second Christmas party. That one says anywhere street, any city street. That is so cute. And then we have our Halloween ones. I had to get this one. I love the cutesy type of like white, orange, and black vibe of it. Here's the back side of it. And then I like this one because it was very monochromatic, black and like tan colors. I love it so much. Here's the back of that one. And then for another one, I got her ticket one. So this is the Halloween Carnival theme park, the Haunted Village. I got it in the roll-in sleeve just because I don't do too much scratchers. I kind of like the roll-in saves more. And then I had to get the Be the Happy Turtle Circus ticket. And once again, here's the back side of that. I'm obsessed with these, and her and I have talked about all these, and she is amazing. And then let's talk about freebies. So obviously she included those 2 cardstock freebies, but when she released these, I saw that she was coming out with these as freebies before she actually released them over on her shop. So she included the Grinch one, and then she included Winifred Sanderson, one of the Sanderson sisters. And the thing I like about this is it's got 3 different colors, pretty much for each girl in the way. And you can choose your icon or your denominations for that. So I'm so excited to use those. And then she actually told me, she's like, hey Cooper, I printed out extras of these. Did you want these? And I was like, oh my God, sure. Like, I'll take them. So we got the Witchy Owl Cafe, which is so cute. It's got denominations all the way up to 6. Actually, no, 8. So 8 is the highest, but it looks like 4 is the lowest. Girl, you're going to kill me with that one. And then this one here is a save total of 45. She is known for her iconic menu. So we got the Witchy Owl Cafe menu to go with the Witchy Owl Cafe icons. So these are so cute and I love them so much. So thank you so much, Chelsea, for those. And then lastly, the last thing we're gonna talk about before we jump into this cash stuffing is I came out with my Disneyland inspired trackers or savings challenges. And I was thinking that we needed Halloween ones. It is October, it is spooky season, so I decided let's come out with Halloween. So the iconic Halloween cookies, you have to have them, so here they are. And then Halloween Town is my favorite Halloween movie. I'm obsessed with the entire series. There's 4 movies. It's just like true nostalgia. When you watch it, you just feel like a child again because you grew up watching it. It was during Spooktober, during Disney Channel, like the original Disney Channel before it changed into whatever it is today. And Halloween Town was that movie. She was that girl. And then it also comes in scratch off forms. So we have them both here. The cookies will save you 65 and Halloween Town will save you 55. So, I mean, high-low numbers. We have 4 and 3s here. We have 3s and 2s, and then we have numbers all the way up to 20. So those are currently on my shop at the moment. So you can go ahead and get those. It is under one listing where you can go ahead and figure out which ones you want, whether you want a pack of 2 or you want them individually. It's really up to you. But with that being said, we're just gonna jump right into it. I have my everyday binder here and we are going to start off with my school fund. And I feel like every time I come in here, I wanna switch things up. So my school fund is gonna be the first one that we're gonna go ahead and start off with, as it normally is every week or every 2 weeks. $250 in there. This does not change. Let's grab all this. So now in the bank, we have 10,500, 200, that's 750. So 10,750 is what I'm supposed to be saying. So that's how much we have in my school fund for right now. And then the next one is going to be this $500 savings challenge from Melina over at the Millennial Dollar. We're gonna do $16 in October, and that is correct. I have my budgeting sheet off to the side, so I just wanna double check. That's gonna ruin it if I fold it over. So $16, so 5 or 10, a 5, and a 1. So now we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. So $32. We have 12 more dollars and we will have hit $44 for the month of October. Okay, that should be dry. The next one is going to be part of my Mean Girls collab. This is the last one in the collab. It comes from Simply Budgeted Amanda. This is her army pants and flip-flops. We're gonna do $15 into here. So now I have 500 in the bank, 10, 20, 25. So we have about $75 more to go. Each challenge does save you 100. So by the end, I will have saved $600. I know that Raylan's completed her portion or all of her challenges. And then Melina has also completed all of hers. I'm not sure about the other three. Maybe Amanda has completed hers. I'm not sure. The next one is going to be my car insurance. We're going to do 2 icons in here for $66. This was paid on the 1st of this month, and now I'm starting to save for the next payment, which will be April 1st. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 for 60, a 5, and a 1. Okay, so now in here I have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So $65, $165 is what we have in here. And my insurance actually went down because my fiance and I both turned 25 and I'm actually on my fiance's insurance. So it went down a little bit, which was really nice. Hair care is gonna get 20. So now I have 20, 40, and 50. So $10 more and I will have it fully funded for my next appointment. Car maintenance, which is coming up, I'm gonna go ahead and do $5. So now I have 100, 5, and 10. So 110 in here. And I'm not gonna color this off and mark the icons off because I'm gonna erase it soon because Saturday I do have a appointment to get my oil changed. Coffee, we're not gonna put anything into that. And then travel is going to be getting $10. So $10 is all it's got. I'm not gonna count that. And that is actually it for my month ahead, not my month ahead, my everyday binder. But let me grab, while I'm here, I kinda wanna put that
Sure.
Hey Siri, stop. Hey Siri, stop. No, hey Siri, stop. Hey Siri, stop. Oh my God. I swear, her and I do not get along whatsoever. I'm going to put this in here. Maybe not. Let's see. Let me take this out. I do want to keep this. Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay. I'm gonna put this Arizona one in here, just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and put that there. Maybe not. Maybe we'll put it there. Let's put it there. Let's just put it there for right now, and then I will come back and fix it. Nope, it's gonna slide out. Okay. You know what? We're gonna put it there, and that's gonna be where it's gonna go. I'm too indecisive on my decision making. Okay, the next one's going to be my month ahead fund. I'm so sorry about Siri. She just has a tendency to do her own thing sometimes, and it always happens to be while I'm in the middle of a video. Nothing new to be expected with that. The next one's going to be my car payment. We're gonna put 35 into here. Okay, so now I have 400, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, so 805 in here. And then the next one is going to be my car insurance, and we are gonna put another $20 into here. This one should save us $600 by the time we're done with it, and now we have 20, 40, and 60. So I'm gonna put this behind just so it doesn't ruin my envelope. The next one is going to be my mortgage, another $25 in here, chipping away at this really slowly. So let's see. So now I have 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. So 1,075. We are so close to 400. I feel like we're so close yet so far. And then this phone tracker, I swear, this one is killing it. Like we're already fully funded for the year, and now we're working on a year and a half. And ultimately my goal is 2 years worth of phone bills being paid for. And I have a feeling we're going to meet that by like I don't know, maybe next year sometime, we'll see. So now I have $1,220, 40, 50, and 60. So $1,160 in here. And then this last one in this binder is going to be my subscriptions, which is going to get 30. So we are going to do 30, not 30, 13. So we're gonna do 10, 1, 2, and 3. So let's see, so now in here I have 613, 623, 28, 29, 30, so 630, 31, 32, and 33. So $633 in my subscriptions. I have to count that very slow just because of that interest payment that I have in here. But that is it for my month ahead binder. And the last amount of money that we have over here is $25, and we are gonna go ahead and put that in here in my October yearly 1K challenge. So we are going to mark off a 15 and a 10. That's gonna be $25, and then we'll complete that with the next cash stuffing. So 20 and a 5. So now we should have 50. So 20, 40, 45, and 50, which is correct because this month we will have saved $70. Okay, and that is actually it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for staying till this point. It was quite a long video, and I'm so sorry that I did not release a budget with me yesterday. But with that being said, if you guys have stayed till this point in the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when the video is uploaded. And with that being said, we'll see you in the next one.